So you want to make a platformer. If you don't have Unity yet, go to the website and download Unity Hub. Then choose the engine version and wait an eternity while it downloads. Now create new 2D project. Okay, now you draw your character. It's ready. Save as PNG with transparent background. Drag and drop it right here. Now here. Add rigid body 2D component on the right. Add collider component. Now set collider boundaries to be roughly like your character and run your game. Yay! Add something like a floor and add a collider to it. Now it's better. To make this Qt run, click on it and add a new script on the right. Go to the script. In update function, create a condition to check if D key is pressed. Add velocity to the rigid body if condition is true. Run the game. Holy shit, it's alive. Now repeat the process for another direction. And to make him jump, okay, let's be honest, just Google it. Copy and paste the first thing you see. Now just and okay, this thing is jumping, then add some platforms, and now you created a platformer. You did it. Yay!